Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will explain Jenkins architecture, understanding its core component, how the master and agent architecture works, and exploring Jenkins job execution flow. We will also discuss the different types of jobs you can configure and give an overview of a Jenkins file system. Jenkins is a powerful automation tool widely used in DevOps for continuous integration and continuous delivery. As its core, Jenkins is a composed of several key components that works together to provide seamless automation. Let's take a look at each components. Jenkins Core. Jenkins Core is responsible for the overall operation of Jenkins. It manages job execution, configurations, and plugin interactions. Plugins. Jenkins operations. Jenkins operates on a plugin-based architecture, allowing you to extend its capabilities. Plugin integrates Jenkins with other tools such as Git, Docker, Kubernetes, enabling a flexible and scalable CI/CD pipeline. And jobs in Jenkins are the tasks that Jenkins executes. A job could be anything from a simple build process to a complex multi-step pipeline. This is about the Jenkins core components. Master agent architecture. Jenkins uses a master agent architecture that allows for scalable and efficient workflow distribution. Master. The master Jenkins is the main server responsible for managing job execution, configuration, and user interface. The master coordinates the execution of job and manages the overall Jenkins environment. And the agent, Jenkins agent is a worker node that executes jobs on behalf of master. Agent can be distributed across different machines, ensuring that Jenkins can handle a large number of builds simultaneously. The master agent architecture is perfect for large scale environments because it allows Jenkins to distribute the load. Agents are typically connected to the master via SSH or JNLP, allowing the master to delegate the job execution. Job execution flow. We will explore the job execution flow in Jenkins. Job creation. The process starts with job creation. In Jenkins, jobs can be created either through a UI, web UI, or by defining them in a configuration file like conf.xml. Job trigger. Once a job is created, it can be triggered in a different ways. You can manually trigger a job, configure Jenkins to trigger a job automatically when changes are detected in a version control system like Git, or even you can set up a scheduled triggers. Next is job execution. When triggered, the master schedules the job for execution. If the job requires additional resources, the master delegates the task to available agents. And the next is execution completion. Once the job completes, the results are reported back to the master where you can view the logs, test results, and build status. Types of jobs. Now that we understand the job execution flow, let's talk about the different types of jobs you can configure in Jenkins. Freestyle job are the most basic type. They allow you to configure simple build tasks. You can add build step like compiling code, running tests, or deploying applications. Pipeline jobs are more advanced and allow you to define a complex workflow using a domain specific language called Groovy. This is ideal for continuous integration and delivering of pipelines. Multi-branch pipeline are automatically creates a pipeline for each branch in your version control system, also enabling you to manage multiple branches with different build configurations. Each type job serves a different purpose depending on the complexity of your workflow. For example, freestyle jobs are great for simple project while the pipeline jobs are perfect for complex and multi-step build process. Jenkins File System Overview. Let's take a look at Jenkins File System. Understand the file structure is important for configuring and maintaining the Jenkins. Jenkins use a directory structure to store its configuration, logs, jobs, and plugins. The default Jenkins home directory is located at varlib Jenkins on Linux file system. Let's break it down. Job directory contains all of your job configurations and related files. Each job gets its own subdirectory inside the folder where Jenkins stores the information about builds, logs, and configuration. The next is the plugin folder, holds all installed plugins, enabling Jenkins to extend its functionality. And the log directories is where Jenkins stores logs of its activities, errors, and job execution details. And the next is configuration files. Files like conf.xml and credential.xml are essential for Jenkins configuration. Conf.xml stores job configurations while the credential.xml contains credentials for authentication. These directories and files are the backbone of Jenkins operations, and understanding them can help you to manage Jenkins more effectively. And we have covered the core components of Jenkins, the master agent architecture, job execution flow, types of jobs, and Jenkins file system. By understanding this core concept, you will be able to set up and maintain Jenkins effectively, whether you are working with simple builds or a complex CI/CD pipeline. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.